Yellowstone volcano, thousands of lives after magma found twice size recorded. Yellowstone volcano's magma chamber was found to be more than twice the size previously thought in 2013, and now researchers fear a supereruption would thousands of people be affected. The Yellowstone caldera spreads beneath the states of Wyoming, Montana and Idaho and gets its nickname as a supervolcano due to its ability to inflict devastation on a global level. It is constantly monitored by the United States Geological Survey, USGS, for signs that a supereruption is on its way, something that has only happened 3 times in history: 2.1 million years ago, 1.3 million years ago and 640,000 years ago, leading some to claim a massive eruption is overdue. In 2013, a study led by Jamie Farrell of the University of Utah found that the magma chamber below Yellowstone was much bigger than thought, measuring 18 miles wide and 9 miles deep. Farrell said it means there is enough volcanic material below the surface to match the largest of the supervolcano's 3 eruptions over the last 2.1 million years. Researchers behind YouTube channel Science Time recently looked into what a supereruption may look like in the future, revealing some daunting realities. A video earlier this month revealed, if the Yellowstone supervolcano was going to erupt tomorrow, it would release more than 2 billion tons of sulfur into the atmosphere and more than 1,000 cubic kilometers of rock and volcanic ash into the sky. Large parts of Idaho, Montana and Wyoming would be buried in 1 meter of volcanic ash.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.